Hey everyone, it's Topic Nose again. Thank you for coming to watch this video. I just wanted to show you guys what it's like to go shopping with the XMAX 300. If you've seen my previous video, you'll remember that I showed you the storage space on the XMAX 300. So today I'm going to show you the real life storage capacity. I might not max it out, but I am going to shop for some soap, some toothpaste and other things. So I'll use the storage space and let's see how much we can fit. Okay, so here we are. I've just parked up, putting my stuff in the boot. A great thing about this is you can take your helmet off and put it right here, so you don't have to worry about having to carry it whilst you go shopping. Take your bags and stuff. And I'm just gonna lock the bike up. Alright, so I've just finished shopping. Like I said, it's not that much today. I've probably got like one medium-sized bag. So you can see my helmet's in there. I'll put my lock in. Simply take my helmet out because I need it to ride, and replace it with the bag. Just put it like this. Then get my gloves. And we're good to go. Right guys, so I hope that helps someone today see what the storage space on the XMAX 300 is really like, especially in everyday use. Hopefully that helped your decision if you were thinking of buying one, or if you just wanted to learn what it's like. See you guys again in the next video. Please remember to like, subscribe and share. Massive thank you to anyone that's watching as well. So until next time, ride safe, peace.